Hello everyone, welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you cow nail art design step by step guide. With the revival of animal print sweeping not only the style world but also the nail world. The, mili- the minimalistic cow print is making a move on our fingernails and we are absolutely loving it. While leopard, snakeskin, and cheetah print nail have traditionally been the skin we automatically think of when we speak about animal print nail art, there's been a recent culture fashion with the cow print nail art. Cow print have a playful take, allowing you to add a fun aura to your nails look than the basic leopard print nail art. For example, this simple and neutral color scheme works beautifully when paired with classy tones such as nude, brown, and blush pink, bold color like red, green, and blue, as well as pastel colors like lilac. So, if you're looking for versatile ideas for cow nail print, we have got to covered where these bold nail art that are not overdone and super easy to transition with from summer to fall and even to the holidays. Let's talk about the design number one. A cow print can be super cute. Show off your countryside with this simple manicure. You should have to follow the step for cow nail art print design. Step number one is start by painting your nails with a white nail polish. Step number two, using a dotting tool and a black nail polish, create irregular dots all over your nails to be the cow spots. It may help to look at the photo of the print to get the best design. Step number 3, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, ladies and girls, your beautiful cow nail art print is ready to show off. If you like my video and efforts, please do like and subscribe my channel. If you have any query about in this design, please let me comment below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye.